Okay, today is an evening of, or soon to be evening, November 17, 2020. First time lighting the fire. Feels good and it smells good. Hickory sure smells good when you burn it. Chimney's working good. Cleaned it out from last year, so. Alright, I'll let the stove get going a little bit. Alright, it's been about 40 minutes or so. I got the fire going pretty good. Got the water boiling up on top for a little moisture. Got the bottom gauge right where it needs to be. Top one's where it needs to be. My 52-inch ceiling fan I put up is doing a phenomenal job. And I'm fixing to go get the cast iron skillet. Throw it on top of the stove, and tonight we're going to have some off-grid stove top cast iron chicken. Good. It's going to be good. I'll be back. Alright, how we doing there, everybody? Had a hard day out here, cutting up the wood, splitting wood, stacking the wood. I got the old wood stove going. Got the temperature about right on it. Getting ready to throw my 12-inch skillet that I restored. And we're going to cook up some off-grid style stovetop cast iron skillet chicken. Coming right up. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, got the skillet with some olive oil in it. Throw it on top here. Let it get warmed up. Which won't take long. I swear I'm having more fun than I should be allowed to. Alright, I'll be back in a few minutes. Let that warm up and we're going to toss some chicken in there. It's going to be good. Alright, time to check the temperature. Let's see what we got here on the stove top. 714 on the top. What we got in the pan? About 360 degrees, 350, 360. That's good enough to get it going. See if I can lock that for you. 357, that's good enough to get it going. You can get me some chicken, throw it in. Alright, here comes the chicken. Yes, sir. I guarantee there ain't nothing better than stovetop cooking on a wood stove than my large 12-inch cast iron skillet. Alright, we're going to let that roll for a little bit. I'll be back. Alright, I'm getting ready to flip that chicken over and stirring it around a good bit. Being as I'm lazy tonight, I'm taking a little shortcut. So I'm going to have me some Knorr chicken rice flavored. And I got the water and the butter going here in the pan. So I'm going to come on over here and cook it on top here. And there we go. Wood stove is a beautiful thing. I wish you could smell this. Wish I had smell-o-vision, but I don't. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, it's time to flip the chicken. Here we go. Get my chicken flipper. Oop. Piece of stick of skin here. There we go. Oh, baby. Back in the pan, come on. Alright, we'll let that roll for a while. Oh my goodness, my water's boiling already. Look at that, man. Free heat. You gotta love this stuff. I'm gonna dump my rice in. I'm gonna take this down a notch. It's getting too hot up there. Well, I don't know what I'd do if the power went out. I'd probably starve to death. Oh, it's unbelievably hot. I gotta move this over here. Come on now, you wish you was getting some of that. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, it's time to take the rice off. The chicken's almost done. I'm gonna go take the rice off, put it in the house. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, my chicken about done. I'm gonna throw the final touch to it. I'm gonna put a little slap your mama on it. I love good slap your mama. Alright. I'll be back. I'm gonna take this off the wood stove here, bring it in the house, and I'll plate it up. Alright, I moved the finished product into the house here. And I'm going to get ready to put it on the plate. And I'll be right back. Okay, here comes the rice and noodles. Wouldn't you know, I made some garlic toast in the electric toaster, and good old technology burnt the living crap out of it. Whereas the wood stove, everything turned out just dandy. Oh my God, I can't believe I gotta be forced to eat this. I gotta quit living like this. This is a horrible way to live out here in the sticks. Yes sir, this off-grid living ain't all it's cracked up to be. I can't believe I put myself through it. Alright, that's all for tonight, folks. I gotta go eat because I can't take smelling this another minute. Thanks for stopping by and watching the first light off of the stove for the 2020 year. I'm out.